That guy was big staring. Welcome back, everybody. More POV driving. Today we're picking up some ramen. I haven't had ramen in a minute, and so I wanted to go to my favorite spot in Kalamazoo, Pacific Rim. Also owned by a phenomenal car guy. Big respects. He's got some Porsches and some other JDM classics, and so, you know, I love supporting car people, let alone I love supporting people that, you know, take things with pride and authenticity. As far as the car goes, we did blow a cam position sensor, which sucks. I mean, that's why the laptop's in the car, and it'll probably stay in the car for quite some time now. And then the trans, I still can't use third gear, so it's just going right into fourth gear every time. Other than that, very happy, healthy. I am buying a house soon. Hooray! And so I should be able to pull the transmission, get the transmission rebuilt so we can use third gear, install a couple sensors, change the water pump, and then we can have some very fun times. Very fun times. Next season, I'm looking to do, you know, clean the car up. We need a windshield, we need to fix the rear hatch, we got some rust bubbles on the A-pillars, and then last night I was driving to Grand Rapids, Michigan, and pretty sure we hit a bump so hard on the highway that it cracked the rear quarter panel paint, which sucks, but it is what it is. Currently we are on low boost. We'll turn that up a little bit. We have a water pump leak. Not bad. It's very periodic as well, and so we'll get that fixed as well. But yeah, car's been great so far. Absolutely loving it. The sounds, everything. Very smooth car. What'd you say?
What is that, a Supra?
Yeah, 93.
That's fucking awesome, man.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
A lot of money in that motherfucker.
A little bit, a little bit.
Hey, that'll happen.
Hey, exactly.
Is that all original?
Huh?
Is it original?
Not, kind of not.
Yeah.
Like, it's a OEM turbo and manual, so it's original that far. Front bumper side skirts, like wing, like it's all done up.
Oh,
Yeah.
Battery.
I mean, if someone asks, you gotta do it, right? Where'd my music go, though? I don't know if it was warm enough for two-step or not, otherwise I would have probably two-stepped it for him. The Spotify playlist is not hitting right now. Give me something to drive to. Also, the steering wheel shakes a little bit. I don't know if it's just alignment wise, but the steering wheel shakes a little bit, pisses me off. And then I think the right caliper needs new brake pads, which means the both fronts need new brake pads. So we have a winter full of no driving and a lot of fucking maintenance, bruh. That's the only downside. Also, this window switch needs to be rewired. I accidentally in 6 the entire... I think I was in 6 the entire time. I think I went the wrong way. Did I? Did I? I did go the wrong way. Hell yeah! Oh, dude, this car is so good, man. This car is so good. Oh, man. There we are. Pacific Rim Foods. I still don't know if I feel comfortable recording in the store just because of my setup. Like, if I had some meta glasses, sure. But look at this thing. I look like a goofball McGee with this thing on my head. Hang on, make sure you guys can see. Just a giant camera. I am running the DJI Osmo Mini. We got our food, some summer rolls, beef brisket, spicy miso, ramen, and a matcha with strawberry poppers and cloud foam, aka like sweet cream foam from Starbucks, basically. This car also does not have AC, and I need to install electronic AC in it because my ginger ass is not going to be able to keep up with this shit for much longer. She did not look left once. It's so crazy, bro. Literally everybody and anybody always supports. Look at this guy's fucking zooming to catch back up. There's that steering wheel shake a little bit. No shaky. I have no idea what he said, but did I close the garage? I think so. Spun the block outside here too. And you take this so wide to not fuck my shit up. Look at that fucking bump and a half that they have going on here. The fuck was it? 1244. Damn, I got a lot of room out back if I'm up. Oh yeah, we can move this though back a little bit. Turbo blanket seems to be doing its job. All right. Don't mind my hair. I had a hat on. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to support, there's merch down below. New drop, RX-7 Supra, Audi, all of them. I'll see you guys in the next one.